So this is what my vanity looks like. I'm gonna be reorganizing and the only reason the top is still a mess because I'm reorganizing the drawers instead of the top, so I figured it's fine. So I'm gonna be moving things around in the drawers. This bottom drawer here is just containers and like storage things for the drawers. Here I have hair dye and my hair scissors and all that stuff. So this is all going to be going downstairs because I have a salon in my basement now. Here I have some more hair things which will be going downstairs. A lot of this hair stuff will be going downstairs too. And here I have all my nail stuff. And I will show you guys that side after. But I am just going to start by putting stuff that's going to go downstairs into this box. So I have this foil brush and a balayage board that's going to be going downstairs, and these bins are going to stay here. Literally everything in this drawer is going to be going downstairs. So my hair color bowls and my hair dye, it's all going to be going downstairs. So this is what is left of this drawer. Next we have this drawer. So this is gonna stay. I'm just gonna move it for now. I'm gonna put a bunch of combs. All my foil combs can go downstairs. Tail combs, I'm gonna keep some here. Some can go downstairs. My hair color brushes can all go downstairs. Some hair cutting combs, I can put a bunch downstairs. This key for the hair dye can go downstairs. These razors for my razor can go downstairs. This can stay. Go. These can go. Like I said, all my brushes can go. So this is what's left. I'm just going to consolidate them. So then up here is all my nail things, and I'm just going to bring them all to the drawer underneath here. So now we have this drawer is empty and everything that was in there is pretty much in here. And I'm going to bring you over to the other side so I can show you what we're going to be moving into that drawer. So this bottom drawer, this is going to go downstairs too. It's pretty much just like all makeup bags. So I'm going to put, and the face masks are going to go on my nightstand, and all of the makeup bags are going to go into that empty drawer. This I'm going to throw away, and this purple hair dye is going to go downstairs. Next, in this drawer, again, all the makeup bags are going to be going into that empty drawer. And I'm aware of the fact that I have too many makeup bags. I literally don't know what to do with them. And I'm going to probably cancel my Ipsy subscription just because I don't need a new makeup bag every single month. I'm probably going to switch over to BoxyCharm because they don't do the makeup bags every single month. And so all we have left in this drawer is just mainly unopened makeup products that I have obviously yet to use, that I have to go through some other products before using these products. So I'm gonna bring that down into this drawer. Then we have this empty drawer. Here I have all my eyeshadow palettes. which for now I'm gonna keep them here, but I might bring them down into the drawer underneath. Here I have my face products, like my bronzers, my contour palettes, my highlighters, my blushes, and my powders. This I'm gonna be doing a declutter pretty soon, so stay tuned for that video. And here I have all my lashes and my foundations and my concealers and most of my primers, which this drawer completely has to get revamped. So I'm going to actually, I'm gonna bring the eyeshadow palettes down to the drawer underneath. And I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow palette declutter soon, so be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for that video. In this drawer, I also have these lippies. I haven't used them like ever, so I'm gonna put them with my lip stuff to see if I use them. Otherwise, I will declutter them soon in an upcoming lip declutter. And I have these glitters that I'm gonna keep with my eyeshadows. For now, this drawer is gonna stay empty while I until I do my declutters. So for now, I'm just going to go put those makeup bags away and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I think about it, I'm gonna put this is my last of my hair stuff I have up here with my unopened makeup products, just to make room in that drawer that they were in to have a skincare drawer. So as of right now, we have 3 empty drawers. One will be a skincare drawer, one will be an everyday makeup drawer, and one will be there for when I declutter and reorganize the rest of my products. So I'm gonna stop this for now, and I'm gonna come back to this video when I organize my skincare and after I declutter and make my everyday makeup drawer, which I will be doing that in a separate video for you guys. So that video will be up by then. And I'll be back after to just finish what I have going here. It's going to be a long project. So yeah, I will be back probably in a few weeks or a few days. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed so far, and stay tuned for the rest.